Ever felt like a mountain of responsibilities is suffocating you? It's a feeling that's all too familiar, isn't it? You're usually on top of things, juggling tasks with ease. But then, out of the blue, you're swamped. The workload seems insurmountable, your confidence wavers, and suddenly, you're not so sure of yourself anymore. This happens to the best of us, to the doctors, teachers, therapists, and heads of industry who are often entrusted with the welfare of others. To those of us who are usually competent, capable, and confident, it's merely a moment of doubt, a temporary loss of self-esteem, but it can feel debilitating. It's a common experience, and it's okay to feel this way. But what if there was a little help from nature to bring us back to our capable selves, to restore our efficiency and self-assurance and help us see problems in perspective? Enter ELM. Let's talk about ELM, not the tree, but the Bachflower homeopathy remedy. Picture this. You're usually the one who can juggle a million things at once. You're competent, capable, and often the one people turn to when they need something done right. But then, out of the blue, you're swamped, you're overwhelmed, you momentarily lose your confidence and become despondent. Sound familiar? This is where ELM comes in. In the world of homeopathy, ELM is a saving grace for those who feel submerged by their responsibilities. It's the remedy for the capable who've taken on too much, the competent who've forgotten to care for themselves amidst their busy schedules. ELM is a beacon of hope when you feel depressed, exhausted, and doubting your own abilities. But fear not, the remedy isn't about changing who you are. Instead, ELM helps restore your usual self-assured, efficient personality. ELM can bring back your confidence so you can tackle those responsibilities with your usual gusto. So, how does ELM help us regain our confidence and sense of control? You might be wondering. Well, ELM works as a gentle guide, steering us back to our normal, capable selves. When we're bogged down by responsibilities, it's easy to lose sight of our strengths. ELM aids in rekindling our self-assurance, reminding us of our inherent capabilities. Often, when we're overwhelmed, our problems appear larger than life. ELM helps us to see these problems in perspective, allowing us to tackle them effectively without feeling crushed under their weight. It encourages us to take on only as much as we can handle, promoting a healthier balance between our duties and our personal needs. By restoring our efficiency, ELM helps in transforming our work from a burden into a fulfilling endeavor. It does not just aid in coping with responsibilities, but in truly thriving amidst them. With ELM, you're not just coping with responsibilities, you're thriving. What can you expect when you turn to ELM in your times of overwhelm? Well, let's break it down. ELM isn't just a plant, it's a lifeline for those who feel like they're sinking under the weight of their responsibilities. The main benefit of ELM is its ability to restore your confidence. You know that feeling when you're on top of your game, when you're juggling tasks like a pro? That's your normal, capable self, and ELM helps bring that back. But ELM doesn't stop at boosting your confidence, it also improves your efficiency. With ELM, you'll find yourself getting things done with a renewed vigor and a clear mind. And perhaps most importantly, ELM ensures that you take care of your own needs. It reminds you that you're human, that it's okay to take a step back and breathe. ELM isn't just a remedy. It's a way to ensure you're at your best, even when the going gets tough. Feeling overwhelmed is human. But staying overwhelmed, that's optional. We all have moments when the weight of the world seems too heavy to bear. It's in these moments that ELM, a Bachflower homeopathy medicine, can provide much-needed support. This isn't about shirking your duties or running away from responsibilities, it's about finding a balance, a way to manage the stresses that come with our daily lives. ELM is there to help us regain our self-assuredness, our efficiency, and our perspective. It helps us remember that we are capable and competent individuals. We can take on only as much as we can cope with, and it's okay to take time to look after our own needs. If you often find yourself feeling overwhelmed, perhaps it's time to look into ELM. Remember, you're capable, and with a little help from ELM, you can face any responsibility that comes your way.